Good morning, good morning. Are you ready to start our calendar? Now, we are one day behind in our week because Monday was yesterday, but today is the 4th, so we're a couple days behind starting May, but that is okay. So we are doing our May calendar. We're going to start by writing our name on the front. And then as you have time throughout the week, you can go ahead and color your front cover. I am going to go through and set up the calendar with you. Okay. There's some different Zoom meeting times that I'll have you put on your calendar, and I'll remind you when those are coming up as well. So the first was on a Saturday, so I'm going to write a 1 there, and then I'm counting to 31, and I think we might have to divide maybe a couple of squares. Maybe not. Maybe this one has enough rows. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. We're counting to 31. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, yeah, we're golden, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So sometimes, like on my big calendar, here, I can show you my big calendar. Can you see? It doesn't go that far enough. Sometimes there's not enough rows, so we have to divide the squares in half by making 2 triangles. Alrighty. I'm going to switch over to something a little bit smaller to write in our days with. Okay? So I don't know really that we have a whole lot going on this month school-wise other than the week of crazy Zoom times. The 9th, which is right here, is Mother's Day. So we can write Mother's Day. Maybe practice making a little heart next to it. Okay. On the 7th, we do have a Zoom meeting. Zoom, what are we meeting from? 8 to 9, 9 to 10. So we're meeting from 10 to 11. We have 3 1-hour Zooms back to back. And that's okay. I need to check reading assessments. That's okay too. Okay, so the next little bit is crazy week of Zooms here. Okay, so on the 18th, our Zoom is going to be in the afternoon. It's going to be from 1:30 till 2. Okay. I have meetings all that morning, so I have to do our Zooms in the afternoon. So ours is going to be from 1:30 to 2. On the 19th, there's no Zooms. On the 20th, it's going to be the same as the 18th. Zoom from 1:30 to 2. And then on Friday, because we didn't have Zooms on the 19th on Wednesday, we're going to make up for that Zoom day, and we're going to Zoom at our normal 10 o'clock time. I had to think about it. 10 to 10:30. I should show you guys how to write the actual times. So when we write a time after the first number, we do these 2 little dots. I, at some point in my life, have gotten rid of writing those two little dots, but that's not the correct way to write time. So I went back through and I added these two little dots that are on top of one another. Oh, super important. On the 31st, guess what? There's no school. Woo woo. No school. So after this day, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here is our last day of school. This would be June 9th. This is going to be our last day of school. And just so that way you know and have a heads up, June 4th is kindergarten graduation. Okay, so remember this is in June. June 1. Okay, if you want to write graduation on your calendar, you can. You don't have to. That's just a look ahead at the next month, and you don't have the next month. Okay? So this month, really, we have Mother's Day, we have a no school day, and then we have a couple of crazy Zoom times. But other than that, we don't have a whole lot going on this month. Okay? So today you're going to set up your calendar page just like this. You just don't have to write graduation or last day if you don't want to. And then I would like you to do this first page for today, which is the 4th. Okay, so today is May 4th, Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. Any Star Wars fans here? I know we have a couple. I am not particularly one of them, but I think Yoda's cute, and I'm okay with doing things that I don't. That's okay. I know that other people like Star Wars, so we celebrate Star Wars a little bit, and I think that that's fun. You have some coloring pages today for Star Wars Day. I can't remember exactly what else is Star Wars. We're going to be doing some Star Wars workouts at our Zoom meeting today, so come ready to move. But other than that, I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon at our class meeting.